Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to install Ubuntu on Oracle VirtualBox. To install it on VirtualBox, we will need Ubuntu ISO. So let's download it from Ubuntu site. You go to Google and you search for Ubuntu ISO, then go to Ubuntu official website, download the 23.04 version. The download will get started in 2 seconds. As you can see, you should start download. I will just hide, I already downloaded it. So, and also you will need to have VirtualBox installed on your PC. For installation, you go to Google and search VirtualBox and then download the Oracle VM VirtualBox from this link. So after downloading VirtualBox, open the VirtualBox, click on new, put name as Ubuntu, and it will show you to select ISO image. So you select ISO image of Ubuntu which you have downloaded, then go to next. It will ask user and password for the Ubuntu login, so I will give it root next. Now it will ask for hardware configuration which will run by your CPU for a virtual Ubuntu. So I will give 3 GB of RAM and 2 CPU processors. Then it will ask for the virtual hard disk. I will give 25 and then finish. Now it's powering VM up. Let's wait for it. And now as you can see, it's already booted. The installation process will begin now. It will take some time as it's on virtual machine and the specs are very low. So here it is. Virtual machine is running. I guess that's Ubuntu booting sound. It's preparing installation on the VirtualBox. Okay. As we have given on the setup screen, the root password, username root. I will give password as well root. Okay, continue. It's saying okay, root one. You can see log by clicking here. I'll make half screen. So resolution is like this only. You have to alter the resolution by going to settings of Ubuntu, and then you can alter this resolution for yourself as you wish. Okay, I guess installation is done as it's copying logs of installation. Yeah, installation is done. Now it will boot the Ubuntu. We will have screen again. Okay, Ubuntu is loading, and now we have successfully installed Ubuntu on Oracle VirtualBox. We will log in. Yep, installation is done, and this is how Ubuntu looks. This is the Play Store kind of thing of Ubuntu. You can download softwares, remove softwares from here. No need of putting commands into terminal. Let's open the terminal to see how it is. Yes, okay. Do we have htop? We don't have htop. See, for a stop you have to do apt install stop. So instead of using these commands, we have the stores where you can download the apps, uninstall the apps, update the apps. So that's it for the Ubuntu installation. We will go forward with some more basic Linux distros installations later. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.